So Unearthed is an open innovation platform for the global resources sector. Since 2014, we've been connecting the challenges and opportunities of the industry to a global network of digital innovators. We do this in a competition format, so through weekend-long hackathons and online competitions, which really allows the innovators to showcase their skills and capabilities through prototyping solutions. So the brand of the Australian METS industry is really strong around the world. We run a lot of programs globally, and wherever we meet colleagues and peers around the world, we really do hear that the Australian METS industry is a leader as a global brand. So we think it's really important, as times are changing and technology is changing really fast, that we really help the METS sector maintain that. So the program that we've designed is specifically around getting METS companies involved in open innovation to take advantage of the new technologies that are coming on board. There are a number of different initiatives that we've done through this fund. The first one we did was our first ever METS focused hackathon, which was in Sydney earlier this year. That really gave us an opportunity to test that model with METS companies. We brought together METS companies, mining companies, government to co-create throughout the weekend of the hackathon, work together and test this type of model to see if they could create solutions that really affected the whole mining value chain. Secondly, we also ran our first ever online global hardware competition, Shield X, which was a competition to prototype a personal safety device for people working around autonomous vehicles. This was really the first time in which we were seeing miners and METS companies, equipment manufacturers, come together in a project which was designed to create something that was open across the industry. It was non-vendor specific. And we're really seeing that companies are changing their view around how technology is affecting their core business. So the METS Ignited funding has really helped us engage METS companies more broadly. Typically at Unearthed we work a lot with the mining companies directly, and this is a really good opportunity to be able to test the platform with METS companies, find out what worked and what didn't, and change that and move forward. So it's been a great opportunity to bring METS more into the open innovation sector.
Collaboration is key to the project that we manage. It really is all about matching capability that doesn't exist somewhere with capability that we identify through the competitions that we're running. So by opening up some of the challenges that you have, which sometimes isn't natural to a lot of the companies who in the past have been fairly concerned around IP and such issues, the key that now is to really collaborate with other companies and the capability outside the company and really focus on the speed to market. So collaboration for us is the key enabler to that speed to market process. METS companies can get involved simply by talking to us. We then work with them in identifying values against their needs, for example in the areas of innovation, cultural change, talent or branding. And then we tailor a program of hackathons, online competitions and local engagement to what their needs are. One of the key changes that I see how industry engages with innovators is that they're becoming a lot more open. A lot of the industry realizes that while in the past they've held onto the challenges they're facing internally, they're now changing and opening those up and really focusing on trying to get problems solved quickly. That speed to market is becoming more and more important as the speed of change is accelerating.